Hi gamers, before we begin, let me introduce this game for those who haven't played, read, or watched this anime. Solo Leveling is a web novel originated in South Korea, where Trugun is the author and it was produced by A1 Pictures for animated television series. And directed by Shunsuke Nahashige with Nobura Kimura writing the scripts, Tomoko Sudo designing the characters, and Hiroyuki Sawano for composing the music. You can play this game on PC, Android, and iOS devices. It is a hack-and-slash genre where you do a bunch of quests, and of course, there is a storyline to be followed. Here, I will talk about a couple of things I do before I defeated the infamous Shadow Monarch Rebel Leader. Shadow Monarch Rebel Leader is an advanced class for players who hits the specific requirements in order for them to job change. Like, players must be at level 55 and a total power of 70,000, and you must clear Chapter 8 Protector of the Throne in hard mode. In case you are having a hard time leveling up your character, just simply do daily gates and clear some chapters. It will surely give you a ton of experience. As for total power, you can see I don't have a proper artifacts for him. So I just used the golden lion set that was given to all the players since the beginning of the game. Here, as you can see, the stats that I used. I go for full strength to maximize my damage output at a get-go. As for skills, I use 2 counter skills for sustainability and survival, because not only it immobilizes the target, but also provide shield that can absorb some damages. Next, for blessing stones that I prefer to call runes, I use advanced dagger for additional damage and daily quest completion in case things go south. And one more thing, always do dodge in between attacks, because this monarch has a lot of attacks at his disposal. So let us begin.
Now, let's get started.
When the battle starts, quickly approach him and ready to dodge. So you could use Shadow Step and do some nasty combos. Ready those fingers, prepare to dodge or counter skills.
It's over. I'll end this. Destroy them all. This is the end. Flash. Monarchs. Red flower technique type 1. Falling plum blossom. It's no use. Destroy them all!
When you manage to bring his health down to 50%, the second phase will start. Here, he will summon Igris. Just ignore him and focus on the rebel leader.
I see it all. Too slow. Monarchs. Punishment. This is the end. Time for a counterattack. Enough with the jokes. It's no use. You're an unworthy opponent.
That's all gamers. I hope this video can help you progress and beat this monster. And thanks for watching.